One of the things that I love about leftover pizza are the toppings. I don't care as much about the crust, but I'm trying to think of something interesting to do. And what I realized was that this slice is actually a little thick. So what I decided to make was a lasagna, but I want to make it only using, if I can, the top of the pizza slice. And by slicing most of the crust off, I'm going to attempt to use this, I'll get better, as well as specially cut slices of this pizza to match and make those what would have been my noodles in a lasagna. Let's give it a shot.